Love conquers all. In a forest far away in Ireland, there lived an old farmer who was afraid to leave his cabin. Then he fed on everything his children brought him every 2 months, and if he liked food, he preferred to endure hunger. One day, tired of faring, he decided to look out the window and realized that everything was beautiful, but he never thought of seeing something like what he was going to find. Poor Dawkins! That crocodile wants to eat them. I'm going to rescue them. Duncan, come here, we'll take care of you. One of the ducklings didn't realize what was happening because he was very happy swimming. The good man wanted to take them home so they all feel protected, but they meet a giant dragon that spits fire and wanted to destroy them. But he held them on his back and took them to the top of the sky. What the farmer didn't know was that the dragon wasn't bad, only what he had stomach problems, and that is why he spit fire. Mr. Farmer, excuse me, I didn't know want to scare your or Duncan's, but I really wanted to bring to my owner's house to help me solving a problem. Am I confused? You didn't want to eat us like your owner? What problem do you have? In a second, she will tell you. Seeing the beautiful Sheena onwards on the dragons that he farmer had finally arrived, she thought that all her problems could be solved. When he farmer saw that beautiful woman, he felt excited to meet her. But the ducklings ran first and started making sounds because they were hungry. After feeding his ducks, Sheena told the farmer about his dragon's problem and that it was not bad. I apologize, Mr. Dragon. I confused things, but I think I know how to cure your problem. You should give a sweet rib made with honey, sabla, and mango for 5 nights, but you should not live in those 5 days and the house. Sheena asked the farmer to stay while observing the result of the dragon in the next 5 days. He accepted. The next day, they realized that the ducklings were not there and ran worried to the forest to look for them, but they didn't find them. The farmer said, I think I will not be able to stay today because I will go to the headquarters and he fell. When she turned home, she noticed a strange sound under the table, and then checking, she realized that the ducklings were there. Now, where will the farmer be? She think. She down in the dangers of the forest and alone. What will I do? The farmer wanted to asking the dragons for help, and that's why he come back. But at the moment Sheena ran out to tell him the good news that the Dunkling's heart not lost. From that day, they decide to be free forever, taking care of their farms, their donkeys, dragon, and forest animals that were in danger. The end.